How's it, guys? Check. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. So I decided to go live a bit early today because market's kind of dropping a bit, and I do want to go over the Bitcoin Cash trade. So we did take this long. I was expecting price to go up. Yeah, the market structure was telling me that there was support there, but I just want to go over the fact this is the perfect reason why we do use a stop loss, right? You can see the whole purpose of using a stop loss is because of this reason, right? Once we start closing below here, the market's most probably going to come back down, okay? So you can see we only lost like a little bit of this, whereas we could have lost a whole bunch more. So a very, very good example why we do use stop loss. And yeah, I mean, I knew what I was risking on the trade. Like if I got stopped out, I knew like it would be fine. It's not like a train smash, right? So it's just a perfect example why we do use a stop loss. So I'm gonna go over Bitcoin. I did end up taking break even. Did go break even here. So the thing is with Bitcoin now, it's kind of dumping, right? So what I'm looking at is a potential sell back down to like this level here. Because the market is taking a slight sell off here. So I'm expecting this next 15-minute candle closes below here, and I'll take sells back down to like 26,700. Yeah. So I'll be looking at a potential sell here. The market, like, to be honest, like I was kind of bullish, like to be very honest with you guys. I was bullish for today. But this happens, right? It hit that 200 level that we were speaking about earlier, and potentially can just range today. So if we see the 15-minute candle close, respecting this level here, then obviously we could potentially just take some buys back up to 200. So we need to see how this level holds. Yeah. But yeah, you can see the whole market kind of just took out all the stop losses, came back up. Same with the Bitcoin Cash situation. Like this thing kind of dumps. So yeah, I will be looking at some sells. Because the market's kind of flipping bearish here. Like even 𝗕𝗘𝗪, like look at this, 𝗕𝗘𝗪 just dumped. So you can see with 𝗕𝗘𝗪, it dumped like 3% in like 5 minutes. So I don't really know what's happening. There wasn't any news. It doesn't really make sense, to be honest. The USDT dominance must be pumping. Not really, actually. Yeah, it is. So this is inversely proportional, right? So when this goes up, it goes down. So if we start to see USDT dominance close above here, then we can possibly look for sells, because when this goes up, crypto comes down. Okay, so if the 50-minute closes above here, then I'll probably look at some sells for coins. But it is a very, very good example why we do use stop loss. I mean, I'm not gonna be right the whole time, right? It's possible to have a win rate of 100%. I was looking at bars above here yesterday. We didn't break above, but I think this trend line was drawn on the 4-hour. Yeah, it is not looking good. It is quite bearish. I mean, today I was bullish. I was kind of bullish there. The thing is, if Bitcoin holds this level here, it's kind of like for Bitcoin, like exclusively, if it holds this level, then obviously we could potentially look at like double bottom. So we'll see how this level holds. We do have to reevaluate we do have to reevaluate the situation. But if it holds, we'll look at some buys. Get my trading view, my CoinW open. Okay, so we got the CoinW open. We are ready for some trades. So I want to see how this 50-minute candle closes here for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin closes respecting, because if you look at the 5 minutes, 5 minutes going to tell us that it could be another fake out. So basically we had an initial fake out in the beginning, and this potentially could be another fake out. And the thing is, the market does this, right? Tries to trap all these buyers and tries to stop them out. So one of those days. So we'll see what we can catch here. But most of the altcoins looking weak. I want to see how this 50-minute candle closes. Gnatlic also dropped quite a bit here. LTC. Yeah, LTC just got railed. But absolutely destroyed. So, ooh, yeah, we can look at LTC sells here. Be very honest with you. Okay, so we have support over here, right? Look at this clearly. We have this level here. We have support over here and over here. So if we see candles start closing below here, then potentially look at potential sells. But if it closes respecting, then it's a different story. Bitcoin looks like it's just respecting that level. So, like I said, it just could be a fake out, another fake out. Two fake outs. We'll see. Oh, my screen is frozen. Very strange. Sorry about that. I think we're back now. Yeah, sorry, the Wi-Fi office is terrible. So what I'm looking at is just sells, potential sells, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. That's good.